Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the JavaScript series. Okay, in this video we are going to see what is an alert. Okay, so alert, the word itself tells right, just popping up something, intimating something. All right, that is called as an alert. Okay, when you do an operation, a pop-up comes and tells right, so you have to do something, right? So that is called as an alert. Okay, so the alert, there are three right types, right? One is a simple alert, next one is a prompt alert, third one is a confirmation alert. Okay, so alert is nothing but a pop-up, that is called as an alert. If you try to right click on alert, you can't do it. Okay, so that is the that is where you can right identify it is an alert. Okay, difference between pop-up and alert is alert can't be right click, right, whereas pop-up will be right click. Okay, so now in this video we are going to see how to create an alert first. Okay, let me show you an example in Google. Okay, I'll right click and inspect Google. If you go to the three dots, right, if you see, right, you'll get a DOM. Okay, in DOM, if you click the console tab, right, you can go and right and type alert there. Okay, you type alert and you give a bracket and you can give the what type of alert you want, what message you want in alert. Okay, simple alert. Okay, if I click enter, right, you can create an alert. Okay, you can create an alert in the Google under the console tab. Okay, see, I create an alert. When I click it, it goes, otherwise it will keep on popping up. Okay, this is how we can create an alert in the right in the browser. Let me go and create one code, right, JavaScript code, so that I'm creating an alert now. Okay, let me go and click file, create a new file and name it as JavaScript, right? So let me alert.js, alert.js dot first, let me save it as an XML and then I'll run it. Okay, alert.html. Okay, let me click save. Okay, then I'll click first create a file, save it in a place and create a file. So first I'll create an HTML file, then I'll in the HTML file I'm going to use the JavaScript code. Okay, now what I'm going to do now is right, I'm going to create an HTML right tag here. Okay, first I'll initiate the HTML tag and I'll close the HTML tag also, then I'll use head. Okay, head means header, right? Heading, you can give heading to the header. Okay, I'll start the start tag and end tag. I'll give title. I'm going to create the title of the document. Okay, then I'm going to give the insert the value here. Let me insert the value JS Testing Academy. Then I'll enter the body here. Okay, first I created a title with the start tag and end tag. Let me want to pass the message here. The message will be passed in the body, and then I'm going to add the JavaScript code here, right, for adding creating an alert here. Okay, so I want to right create an alert with this right tag within the tag of script. Okay, let me type alert, right, in bracket I'll tell, right, simple alert. This is a simple alert. Okay, now I created an alert. Now this is a simple alert, just it'll ask for OK button. If you click it, it will close it. Let me copy this or save this file. Now if I click that file, I need a pop-up should come. telling that this is a simple alert. I'm opening in a browser, any one browser, Chrome, Google Chrome. If I open it, see, this is a simple alert. So I created an alert with the help of JavaScript, okay, in the HTML document. Okay, so this is how we can create a simple alert with the help of JavaScript. Let me also create another alerts, confirmation alert and prompt alert. So in the same under the script tag, I'm also creating another alert here. I'm using I'm creating a variable here, let name, name equal to confirm. Okay, then I'm just creating name equal to confirm. This is JS testing. Okay, so this is going to be a confirmation alert. Okay, let me run this. Let's save it and go and execute the file. Okay, first simple alert came. Now you can see the confirmation alert. Okay, the confirmation alert will ask for a OK button and a cancel button. Okay, if I click OK, it will accept. If I give dismiss, it's going to cancel. Okay, so this is how we can create a confirmation alert with the help of JavaScript. Okay, let me go to the Visual Studio Code again. Let me create a prompt alert also. Okay, so first line is going to be simple alert, second line is going to be confirmation alert, third line is going to be a prompt alert. I'm initializing a variable prompt, prompt, prompt. Okay, okay, prompt, and I'll add an message here. Okay, this is a prompt alert, or enter right, some course here, enter the course, enter the course. Okay, let me run the save it and run the file. So first it should ask for a simple alert, then it should ask for a confirmation alert, third one it's not ask. I did a spelling mistake, PROMPT. Okay, yeah. Ah. In the bracket, enter the codes. Okay, I did a small mistake here. Okay, now I'll give semicolon, then I'll run. First simple alert, confirmation alert, then the prompt alert. Now let me type testing and click OK. So this is how we can create a prompt alert also. Okay, so all the three alerts has been created now. Okay, so hope this video is useful for you. I hope you're all learning. Thanks for watching this video. We'll meet you soon in the next part of video. Bye.